Another day, another story. Welcome to our video on inflation. Inflation is a term you might have heard in discussions about the economy, but what exactly is it? Inflation refers to the increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. When inflation occurs, the purchasing power of our money decreases, which means that the same amount of money can buy us fewer goods and services than before. There are various factors that can cause inflation, such as increased demand for goods and services, higher production costs, or government policies that affect the money supply. When there's more demand than supply, prices tend to go up. Additionally, if it costs businesses more to produce goods and services, they may pass those costs onto consumers in the form of higher prices. Government policies, such as increasing the money supply, can also contribute to inflation by increasing the amount of money in the economy. The consequences of inflation can be negative. High levels of inflation can erode the purchasing power of consumers, making it harder to afford basic necessities. It can also impact investment and economic stability, as uncertainty about future prices can discourage businesses from planning and investing. To combat inflation, policymakers often use monetary policy, which involves actions taken by central banks to manage the money supply and interest rates. For example, if inflation is rising too quickly, central banks may raise interest rates to reduce demand and slow down price increases. On the other hand, if inflation is low or decreasing, central banks may lower interest rates to encourage borrowing and spending, which can stimulate the economy. In conclusion, inflation is the increase in the general price level of goods and services over time, resulting in reduced purchasing power of money. Policymakers use various measures, such as monetary policy, to manage inflation and mitigate its negative effects on the economy and consumers. Thanks for watching.